Hey, what's up guys? This is an unboxing I want to share with you from Carmina Shoemaker, if the box wasn't obvious enough. But this is from their custom event back in October of 21, and this is part of the launch of their new 3D custom tool. So I'll share the unboxing, kind of some of the details of the actual order, and I'll save the kind of review of how I think the custom tool was, how this specific order was, for a next video, because that's a little more detail than what we'll cover today. Let's get into the unboxing. As normal, you get two boot bags because this is a boot. These are the normal Carmina shoe bags, really nice, kind of solid bags. I'll cover a few of the items that they had included here. This is their 2020 stock collection book, which it's a pretty nice book. It has a kind of an overview of all of their last soles, different models, leathers, things like that. It's a pretty extensive book. I just noticed now it was from 2020, but I'm not sure how much has changed since then, but either way, that's what it is. Let's dive into the next thing here, which is a letter from Carmina Shoemaker, specifically Iwana. This is who I was dealing with as part of the promotion with the custom event and the 3D launch. So I just really kind gesture. Awesome. So let's actually get into the boot here. And before I forget, this is the custom double monk strap boot model 80766. All right, so let's share these here. So this is a combination, and this is actually I'll stop making noise here. And this was a collaboration I was working on with Iwana, almost going back a full year before it was actually launched, kind of off and on until they were ready to launch it. And this was a pair that they were able to make for me in return for kind of helping promote that and as part of collaborating on the new 3D tool. So very excited, really appreciate that. This is a somewhat of a custom pattern. I had originally asked Iwana for this boot, and I said I could do all color 4, or ideally I would like this combination where you had the replica reindeer from the Baker Tannery as the almost like a saddle or the monk strap piece, and then color 4 for the rest. And they were able to accommodate my request for a custom pattern, because typically, and I'll show the image from the 3D tool, typically this was all one piece of leather. So they had to make a minor adjustment to the actual pattern so that this would be a separate piece of leather so that they could actually use a different material, and they were able to do that. So this is on the Inca last. This is color 4 Horween shell Cordovan with the Baker replica reindeer calfskin on the saddle piece there, with a double JR leather sole, at 270-degree welt. And this has the see if we can get this to focus in here. So this has the I guess the fine fudge wheel detail. I think that's what it's called, but there are two options. There's like a more rigid one, like I think it's the hard fudge detail, versus the soft or the fine one. This is the fine, and then double JR soles with the brass buckles, and I got a navy outsole, or the outsole painted in navy with the metal toe plates. So I think overall, making the custom order and asking for a slight modification to the pattern to have two pieces of leather, or two different materials here, really worked out well, and I really like how this turned out. The navy sole, that was just kind of for fun, but eventually that'll wear off. I do like it. It does kind of go well with the color 4 and the color of the replica Russian reindeer there. See if I can get this to focus as well. I requested navy stitching here. So got the navy bottom with the navy stitching, and it's super subtle, so you can hardly see it, but it's just one of those finer details that I think really brings the boot together, but hardly anybody will actually notice it. The custom tool definitely gives you an indication of what it's going to look like, but it's still not the same as actually having the boot in your hands. So definitely happy with them, definitely happy with how this turned out. Let me know what you think. It's definitely a unique kind of combination there. But yeah, so I'll have a next video coming up soon to actually review the custom tool, the ordering process, and how well I think that custom tool is working. And then we'll share some additional details at that point. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a good one, and we'll see you soon.